How to scan a document through the Notes application present on your iOS or Apple iPhone. For this, the main thing you have to do is open the Notes application here on your iPhone. Please make sure that you have updated the iPhone version, and then on the home page you're going to see this type of thing here that I already made a lot of notes here. But the main thing you have to do is simply click on this right bottom of screen to create notes here, and then here you can write or create any notes you want. Now, how to scan a document? On the bottom of screen you're going to see an option called plus, like this. Click on this, and then the fourth option is there's a camera. You have to click on scan document option to simply position the camera on the paper like this, and then simply scan it. After you do it, all the matter you think that is on your photo, that is on your document, will be printed right here on your notes. This is how you can exactly do it. Thank you so much for watching this video.